guys, ketemu lagi dengan aku Wigar Sardi di channel Dunia Wigar. Nah guys, sekarang aku lagi ada big test nih. Nah, kalian pasti penasaran gimana keseruannya. Kalau tahu keseruannya, ikutin terus ya.
Kemudian ada video, kemudian
cepetin, Wigar.
Nah guys, aduh capek banget. Tadi aku habis lip test. Tadi juga aku dapat 81 nih. Tadi aku juga sisa berdua 2 jam. Rasanya capek. Rasanya juga engep kalau nggak terbiasa. Untung tadi aku udah terbiasa lari sama taekwondo. Jadi udah terbiasa lari kayak gini. Nah guys, sekarang aku sama temen aku nih namanya Alvin. Kok bisa dapat 74? Kalian. Kamu mau dapat yang lebih tinggi lagi nggak? Mau. Nanti kita lari bareng aja ya.
Feel the gravity pull and it keeps me awake. I would rather be here on this space. I've made up my mind, I just wanna be free. I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna ballin', my team been wildin'. Came to the 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving when we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no setting it back. And we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the road. We was just rebels and do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up, without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game's been no one. Gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game. Falling, I'm balling on top of that mountain. I'm on and I'm calling my mama to tell her I'm good. I'm surrounded by family like back in the hood. I was falling from grace, I was misunderstood. And the pressure will sit you right down, but I stood up. I mean what I say and I say what I mean. On the balcony screaming, they just let me be. We had to slow it down. What goes around comes around. Oh, the frequency different now. I was going through different rounds. And it's crazy, the progress is hitting now. Ain't no sitting and lost and found. I found what I lost in a minute now. I was on the wrong path, I admit it now. My only option was to get it now.
I got it on both and I learned from the losses. My failure was friendship, I saw it was ghosting. Started like everyone got certain tools. Only difference is I knew what to do. Now everyone calling when progress is stolen. My stock is missing.
The progress is hitting now. Ain't no sitting and lost and found. I found what I lost in a minute now. I was on the wrong path, I admit it now. My only option was to get it now.
I got it on both and I learned from the losses. My failure was friendship, I saw it was ghosting. Started like everyone got certain tools. Only difference is I knew what to do. Now everyone calling when progress is stolen. My stock is missing and my life ain't boring. Ain't no more hitting me up when you lose. When it's time to wake up, see you hitting the snooze.
When they ask me how we leveled up,